Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Santro Xing door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your brand new replacement door handle ready to go. Preparing a clean and organized workspace is also key to ensure a smooth process and prevent losing any small parts during the repair. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. This step provides access to the handle's internal mechanisms. Next, you will need to disconnect the door lock and handle operating linkages. These are typically small rods or cables. Then, locate and unscrew the two mounting bolts that hold the old handle in place. Once these are removed, you can gently pull the entire old handle assembly out from the door's exterior. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new door handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it sits flush. Next, secure the new handle by tightening its two mounting bolts firmly. Reconnect the door lock and handle operating linkages, making sure they are properly seated and move freely. Before putting everything back together, give the new handle a few test pulls to ensure it operates smoothly. Finally, let's reassemble the door. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place and any screws are fastened tightly. Double-check that the door opens and closes smoothly from both the inside and outside. Also, confirm that the door lock functions correctly, engaging and disengaging without any issues. You have successfully replaced your Santro Xing door handle. Great job completing this repair yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.